Hello, everyone. Welcome to Introduction to Prompt Engineering for SMEs. I'm Donald, a DevOps engineer. In this course, you will learn how to harness the power of large language model to streamline your business tasks and gain valuable insights. Get ready to discover how simple instructions and clear examples can help you achieve amazing results.
Let's start with one of the core principles of prompt engineering, focusing on results. Instead of asking vague questions, think of how prompts can help you achieve specific business goals.
Here's a customer review for a popular fitness tracker. As you can see, it's quite long and includes a mix of positive and negative comments. To get real value from this, we need to go beyond a basic summary. If I ask a vague question like, "Tell me about this fitness tracker review," I'll likely get a generic summary. Let's see that in action. This is a start, but I can't immediately see the most important pros and cons. Now, let's refine our prompt. Instead, I'll ask the model to summarize the key positive and negative points from this fitness tracker review. Notice how this forces the model to prioritize the most crucial feedback. Can we get even more specific? Absolutely. Let's say I'm specifically concerned about battery life. I can adjust my prompt to focus on that. This targeted result helps me make an informed decision about this product.
Let's look at what we've generated side by side. See how with each refinement the output became increasingly focused? This saves me time and provides truly actionable information. This same principle applies in a DevOps context. Instead of combing through lengthy incident reports, I might write a prompt to pinpoint the root cause of an error or summarize specific types of log entries to quickly diagnose an issue. To get the best results, we need well-structured prompts. Think of it like a recipe for the language model. Let's break it down into three main elements: instruction, example, and output. Now, let's use a common SME need, generating engaging social media posts for a local bakery. Let's break this prompt down. Notice how we have a clear instruction, a relevant example showcasing the product, and even a hint of the desired format, short and attention-grabbing. As you can see, even with a simple input, we get some interesting variations. Language models have the power to unlock valuable insights from the wealth of data your business collects. For SMEs, think of ways to analyze customer reviews or feedback surveys to understand what people love, spot trends, and identify opportunities for improvement. Identifying new product ideas based on what people are asking for, or even adjusting your marketing based on common pain points.
For DevOps engineers, this same ability to analyze data has amazing applications. Think about shifting through system logs to uncover hidden error patterns that might predict future issues, or to optimize resources based on usage patterns. Now is a chance to try it. Take a few moments to think of a task within your business that will benefit from a better prompt. Here are some ideas to get you started.
Let's break down your task. Start by asking, what's my desired outcome? What data does the language model need? Are there examples to guide it?
Now it's your time to draft an initial prompt. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect to start with. Begin simple, and we can always refine it later based on the results you see. Good work today. You now understand the core principles of prompt engineering. Remember, the key is to think about what you want the model to achieve, provide a clear structure, and don't be afraid to experiment along the way.